Plant FAQs. Anthurium forgetii. Anthurium forgetii. Unveiling the allure of the velvet leaf. Hi everyone, Ferbu here. Today, I want to delve into the captivating world of Anthurium forgetii, a plant that has stolen the hearts of collectors and foliage enthusiasts alike. This unique species boasts characteristics that set it apart from its Anthurium cousins. Let's explore the wonders of Anthurium forgetii through some of the most commonly asked questions. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What makes Anthurium forgetii special? The magic lies in its leaves. Unlike the classic heart-shaped fronds of most Anthuriums, forgetii flaunts stunning, elliptical leaves. The velvety texture adds another layer of intrigue, earning it the moniker velvet leaf. But the defining feature is the absence of a sinus, the notch or indention found at the base of leaves in many Anthurium varieties. This deviation from the norm makes forgetii a standout, adding a touch of the unexpected to any plant collection. Is Anthurium forgetii easy to care for? Anthurium forgetii thrives in environments that mimic its native Colombian rainforests. Here are some key things to remember. Light. Indirect, bright light is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Watering. Maintain consistent moisture but avoid soggy soil. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Humidity. Forgetii appreciates a humid environment. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray, or a humidifier can help create the desired level. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mixes or orchid mixes are good options. With proper care, your Anthurium forgetii will reward you with lush, velvety foliage for years to come. How big does Anthurium forgetii get? Forgetii is a relatively compact grower compared to other Anthurium varieties. Mature plants typically reach a height of 12 to 18 inches, 30 to 45 centimeters, with a similar spread. This makes it a perfect choice for those with limited space. Does Anthurium forgetii flower? Yes, it can. While the foliage is the main attraction, forgetii occasionally produces inflorescences, flowers, typical of Anthuriums. These consist of a spathe, modified leaf, surrounding a spadix, flower spike. The spathe color varies depending on the specific cultivar, ranging from green to reddish-purple. Anthurium forgetii dark versus silver. The dark forgetii is a drama queen. Its velvety, almost black leaves shimmer with an otherworldly sheen, making it the center of attention wherever it's placed. It thrives in medium light, the dark foliage acting like a built-in dimmer switch. But this diva can be a bit fussy about watering. Letting the soil dry out just a tad too much sends it into a dramatic wilt. The silver forgetii, on the other hand, is a cool customer. Its textured leaves boast a stunning, metallic sheen that shimmers with a hint of green. It seems to handle a wider range of light conditions, tolerating both lower light and brighter indirect spots. Plus, it's a bit more forgiving when it comes to watering. While I still wouldn't let it completely dry out, it doesn't throw a tantrum if I forget to water it for a day or two. Anthurium forgetii versus Crystallinum versus King of Spades. Here's a quick comparison of forgetii with two popular Anthurium varieties. Feature Anthurium forgetii, Anthurium crystallinum, Anthurium King of Spades. Leaf shape elliptical, entire, no sinus, heart-shaped, deeply lobed, heart-shaped, deeply lobed leaf texture, velvety textured, with visible veins, glossy, black, size compact, 12 to 18 inches, large, up to 3 feet, medium, 18 to 24 inches, growth rate slow to moderate to fast moderate. Where can I find Anthurium forgetii? Due to its unique characteristics, Anthurium forgetii can be a bit trickier to find compared to some common Anthurium varieties. Here are a few options. Online plant retailers. Many online plant stores specialize in rare and unusual varieties. Plant shows and events. Keep an eye out for plant shows and events where specialty growers may showcase their collections. Local plant nurseries. Some forward-thinking nurseries might carry forgetii or be able to special order it for you. Final thoughts. The allure of Anthurium forgetii. Anthurium forgetii offers a captivating combination of unique foliage, manageable size, and occasional blooms. With proper care, This stunning plant will add a touch of elegance and intrigue to your indoor space. So, if you're looking for a conversation starter for your plant collection, Anthurium forgetii might just be the perfect choice. Happy growing!